Hi everyone, I'm Amaya and welcome back to The Traveler. Today I'm taking you to the magical Lago Rosa, the famous pink lake located in Las Coloradas on the island of Lanzarote in Spain. At first glance, it almost feels unreal, because the water shines in beautiful shades of soft pink and coral against the island's dark volcanic landscape. This unique color is completely natural and comes from tiny microorganisms and algae that live in the lake's extremely salty water. When the sun is bright, especially around midday, the pink tones appear even more vibrant, creating a stunning contrast with the white salt edges and black lava fields nearby. Lago Rosa is part of a traditional salt production area where seawater is collected in shallow lagoons and left to evaporate under the warm Canary Island sun, leaving behind pure sea salt that has been harvested here for generations. Swimming is not allowed due to the high salt concentration and environmental protection, so visitors can enjoy the view from designated spots while capturing incredible photos. The surrounding scenery, with wide skies and ocean breezes, makes the experience peaceful and unforgettable. If you love unusual landscapes and natural wonders, Lago Rosa is a must-visit destination that truly surprises every traveler.